Good morning, and greetings from my study in London. I would love to be with you in person this week in Bishkek, a city which is rapidly, it seems, becoming the creative center of Central Asia. But sadly, it's not possible for me to be there this week. However, Nazgul has kindly sent me the full program of events, and I must say it looks really exciting. It's also really good to hear that the Association of Creative Industries is growing and prospering. I understand that you already have about 30 organizations in membership, which is a terrific achievement in such a short time. So I congratulate Nazgul and all members of the team responsible for putting together this wonderful program of events for, shall we call it, Creative Economy Week number 2. The first Creative Economy Week last October, when I was with you, of course, included the opening press conference, and it was a truly memorable time. So many briefings, so many presentations, so many fascinating conversations. The formal launch of the association at Ololo, meetings with your government ministers, meetings with my favorite ambassador, Charles Garrett, breakfast with international donor organizations, a conference at Kyrgyz Patent, a lecture at the American University of Central Asia, and much more besides. And I came away last October with a very strong impression that things are on the move and that the future is bright for creative Kyrgyzstan. Indeed, I've talked about my experiences and my perspectives in this respect in several forums, including the World Conference on Creative Economy, which I attended in Dubai last December. And I've also referred to these experiences in my lectures at Goldsmiths in the University of London. I want to put on record my thanks to all those colleagues who helped to make that first week such a success, including Olga and Almaz at DAI, Nazgul, and of course, Danyar and Ainura at Ololo. It was a fabulous time. I also have another memory. On my last day before returning to the UK, Danyar and Ainura and Nazgul and I traveled to Atabait Memorial, the mausoleum of Kingiz Edmatov, as you know, but also the memorial to many victims of oppression from the years of the 1920s and 1930s. It's a spiritual place and an unforgettable setting. And when on the news, I see some of the terrible things that have been happening in Ukraine at the current time, I sometimes think about that day at Atabait. But that's a conversation for another time. For now, and to conclude, I want to wish you all success with this week's program and good luck with all the work of the association. You will see that I am wearing this badge that I was presented with by the association last October, and I also have with me here the scarf that was presented to me. So you can be certain that I am with you in spirit, if not in person. So goodbye, good luck, and see you soon, I hope.